My name is Russell Goldman. I'm a former astrodynamicist in the aerospace industry, and I'm a member of the Firefly project. It's a very exciting printer that we're working on, and I'm involved in the operations and the testing and the overall commissioning of the machine. We built this fantastic printer that from all of the different parties involved, there's a synergy that we have one company that's very involved in the mechanical side of it. We have another company that works the electronics, and then we also have a company that supplies the filament, Tiamet. And all of these companies come together and have built this printer that, as far as we're concerned, is one of the best on the market. The role that I've had in this project has spanned not just in the testing, but previously I've used Tiamet and Ultra PLA to build other prototypes, early prototypes of this printer. And my impression of the filament has been very positive. PLA, generally speaking, is one of the easier materials to work with, but it has properties that are not very scalable to high-end purposes. And that's not a problem we found with Ultra PLA. The nanodiamond aspect of it is able to thermally conduct the heat through the entire material very effectively, and it improves the mechanical strength to a tremendous amount. So as a result, some of the early prototypes of the printer that we worked with would actually use vertices and parts of the printer in Ultra, and we had some very positive experiences. Parts, if they ever got very hot because of motor heat, then the filament was actually very, very resilient. So something else that makes the Firefly project, the Firefly printer, very exciting is that all of the groups involved actually started from the open source community, including me. The guys working in Tiamet on the Ultra side have also had the same experience. They started with understanding the industry, learning from it, and finding ways that they could improve it. And they come in with that sort of expertise. I find that as a result of this, everything that they've learned about 3D printing have applied to their Ultra PLA and the improvements that's made to the PLA. They also plan to apply to their future materials as well, going all the way up to these industrial and even aerospace type materials that are very exciting. These are the kind of products that, even though I'm not in the aerospace industry anymore, I can see as applicable to a wide range of industries, including within our Firefly printer. We have components right now that are printed with the Ultra PLA. They're strong, but we can reinforce them and make them more thermally resilient with some of these future materials. And I think that's the way the industry is going. That's the way we want our printer to go, and I think they're going to do very well with it, and I'm excited about that.